everyone, it's Alana from Yardables. Today we're going to venture over to my parents' house to repair a John Deere LA115 riding lawnmower. It's having some issues with a leaking gas tank, so come along with me and let's get to work. Today we are going to be repairing a gas tank on a John Deere LA115 riding lawnmower. This lawnmower has been a great lawnmower for years. However, they do have a couple design flaws that show up as they get older. One of them being the gas tank. When they originally built these, the gas tank was made in two pieces, so you can see the seam here in the middle, so they end up leaking. Right now we can only fill the gas tank up halfway, or else it'll leak. Even at halfway you can smell fumes everywhere. It gets pretty bad when you're riding on it. The second design flaw is trying to remove the gas tank. There's only one way to remove it. You have to get it out through the top here, and obviously it won't fit through that little hole. Some people on YouTube show ways how to jack up the back here. They'll use a winch from the ceiling and pull it up, or they'll use a jack stand or a floor jack to lift it up and then remove the tank that way. However, some of the newer models are plastic. It might be a little bit easier to do, but still not recommended. This one's metal. It'll put creases here on the floor pan, and we don't want that. So today we're going to show you how to remove a gas tank from a John Deere LA115 riding lawnmower the right way. Okay.
Need a
Okay, we moved the springs under the seat. Then we unbolted and removed the battery. And then there were 6 bolts on the bottom of the cowl that were removed. And then the cowl itself had to be removed also in order to lift up the base plate of the tractor. Alright, so first to remove the tank, we need to remove the hose. There's some little clamps here. Oh, I need pliers, Dad. We're going to first remove this hose. There's a clamp here, so we're just going to undo the clamp and pull the hose off. So I got the tank out. You can see it was made in 2 pieces, so it's leaking somewhere, we're not sure where. So we're going to check it out, see if it's something that can be fixed, which usually is not recommended, but we'll probably end up getting a new one and replacing it, and we'll make another updated video when we put the new tank, or this one, back in the tractor. Alright, so the gas can's out. We filled it with water, we emptied the gas out, and you can see it dripping everywhere. It has quite a few leaks in it. So we're probably just going to replace it and get a new one. These are hard to repair. Sometimes they're not worth repairing. So we'll do a second video when we get the new tank and show you the install.